I know I taught you how to kill attraction, didn't I?
Ain't that right, Nolan? Yes!
Well, now I'm gonna teach you how to build attraction. It's only fair, ain't it? It's a whole lot of ways to kill attraction. It's a whole lot of ways to build attraction. But I find these ways to be the most effective.
Bring it on!
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Velli Savage. You watching Real Life TV. Let's get to it. Okay, so first of all, fellas, you ain't gonna pull no lady looking like this. So first what you need to do is get a haircut. Just like that, I got your girlfriend's number. We ain't even got started yet. Now that you're well groomed and looking fresh, it's time to put some clothes on. And just like that, my baby, I just took your girlfriend. Ladies, dressing well applies to you too, but I'm sure you already know that.
Hi, I'm Cellulite Sally. Look at my huge badonky.
Okay, so now that you look good, let's talk about the real shit. One of the key ways to build attraction is to be honest from the get-go. Don't give nobody no sob story about your whole entire life and how you couldn't find the right one.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you.
Don't be way too forthcoming. Just be cordial, okay? Being attractive is about being original. If you don't know how to be yourself, you deserve to be lonely. Not sorry. Another way to build attraction is by calling and texting regularly, not frequently. Texting frequently make you look like you're being needy. Just like I mentioned in my video about how to kill attraction. Do not show the traits of a significant other.
Let me tell you, like I just told my little homeboy, man. Stop signing up for stress, man. You know? Stop signing up for it.
Doing this really has negative results. Don't act like you my girlfriend. And for ladies, don't let him act like he your boyfriend if y'all just met and y'all just think each other is cute. Trust me, this shit doesn't end well.
Get in the tub.
I ain't getting in no motherfucking tub.
Get in the tub!
Oh!
Acting like something you're not is just gonna make me withdraw away from you. Something real important you wanna know is to always stand your ground. Don't be a pushover and don't let nobody treat you like an option. Make sure they know you got a whole lot going on. And the only time you got for them is the time that you make for them.
And I don't need no company, little mama. Stop ringing my cellular phone.
It's not cold-hearted, it's just the truth. Show intelligence, not arrogance. It's okay to be smart, but don't act like you know everything.
You know what, schoolboy, for your information? A scallop is a shellfish. No, I'm afraid it isn't. No, I'm afraid it is. Before it comes to your dinner plate, it got 2 shells wrapped around it just like a clam.
Got him!
And don't be afraid to take up new suggestions. It's okay to look at other points of views. Another way to build attraction is by giving your crush time to miss you. If you don't give me time to miss you, I ain't gonna want much of you. It's okay to act like you want somebody, just don't spread yourself too thin. If you texting and calling all the time, I'm not gonna miss you.
Yo, yo!
How was your little date? You look so cute holding hands.
Hey, what's up, boy?
Get rid of the picture, I will.
Yeah. Right on.
Get rid of her.
Oh, that's sure enough for right on.
It makes sense, don't it? I'm gonna give you a little secret. If you don't answer a text right away, that drives them crazy. Now don't be an asshole and just completely not answer the text message. No. Put some time in between it. Maybe an hour, maybe a couple hours. Don't make them wait too long, but that shit does work, I'm telling you. Every now and again, it's okay to ignore a text for a couple hours. That puts a little bit of pressure on them. Just to show you a little bit how much they like you. If they start texting you crazy, you know they into you.
Get you with a text.
But don't tease them with this, because this shit ain't cool. And last but not least, the best way to build attraction, I believe, is to have confidence. If you ain't got confidence in yourself, that means you don't believe in yourself. So how can I believe in you? You might as well go ahead, sit down somewhere, read a book, or do a puzzle or something, because you ain't interested in nobody. If you don't believe in yourself, then that must mean you don't believe you're worth my time. Which means I feel the same way you do. You don't deserve my time.
Just be yourself. If people don't like you if you're being yourself, fuck them, fuck them. Fuck them up against the wall. Wear handcuffs on and crazy through on their lips. That's all you do.
Well, that was it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment, roast, react, whatever you're gonna do. And I'll see you on the next one. Realize.